What up, what up? It's your boy Money Mitch 495, and we're back with a special review of a special sneaker. Reebok Instapump. You open these for me, sir? It's a special version of these. Toddler joints. What are those?
And Tom and Jerry shoes.
Yes, they're Tom and Jerry Instapump. What do you like about those?
I like the green and the red thing, and the white and the pink inside there, and this.
It's a tennis ball.
And the tennis ball.
That's cool, isn't it? You feel that? You feel that?
Let me feel.
Feels like mouse fur right there.
Yeah, it's like.
And you can see that it's shaped like a mouse.
Yeah.
But it's the color of Tom.
Yeah.
Which is dope.
Wait, I think that's Tom.
Yes, but it looks like a mouse though. You see the tail?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's super cool. The box is super cool.
Well, why don't we see another one to see if it's like the brown one?
Oh no, they both look the same. But since he wants to see, we'll double check.
I got
They look the same.
Yeah.
Exactly the same. It's cool, right?
Wait, but they're not the same. They're like, this shoe is...
One's a left foot and one's a right foot.
Wait, this one has Tom in there.
Yeah?
And this one has, like...
Jerry in there? Oh, that's cool.
Jerry, it has the
Yeah, let's
mouse.
look. He figured that out. One has Tom in there. Let's see.
Tom.
Let's see.
Tom in there.
And one has Jerry.
Jerry the mouse.
Wow.
They're both happy, like...
That's super cool.
So,
You only find dope stuff like this at Money Mitch 495.
okay, why don't we, like...
Don't forget to subscribe
Okay.
and like my channels. All right?
Okay.
Thank you, Kingston, for all your help.